Ikaw, ako, tayo, nagrereklamo sa sobrang init ng panahon. But have we tried to think about this seriously? Climate change and collapse of ecosystem dahil sa abusong ginagawa ng tao sa mundo? Abusive human activities, generating non-renewable power, manufacturing goods, cutting down forests, transportation, too much consumption, and too much pollution. Due to extreme weather conditions, apektado ang ating food supply and food security. Scarcity of water is everywhere. I am not saying lahat, pero sa mga kapitalista, hindi ho masama dumami ang pera. Oo, nasa inyo na lahat. Power, pera, bahay, pagkain, magarang kotse, damit, lahat na material things na kaya niyong bilhin meron. The question is, how responsible and accountable are we not to jeopardize our environment in exchange of success and wealth na nakukuha natin dahil sa natural resources? Year 2015 pa ho ang United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Ano na po bang nagawa? Hindi ho kaya ng government institutions lang, concerned individuals, environmentalists, and other concerned private sectors ang solusyon sa climate change. This should be a collective efforts of all human beings to mitigate climate change. Ikaw, ako, tayo, sana kikilos na. It's never too late to change.